Have you ever spent hours studying and then completely blanked out the moment you saw question paper? Don't worry, it is not your brain's fault. It is only the way you study. Today, I will show you the smart memory hacks that actually stick. Ready? Let's go. So, first is chunking. Your brain hates long lists but loves small groups.
For example, instead of trying to memorize the first 10 elements of the periodic table one by one, like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, so lengthy. You can chunk them down into smaller groups like ha, he, li, be, b, k, na, o, f, ne, na, mug, al, si. Now, it feels like 4 sets, not just 15 random names. Much easier, right?
So, next we have linking or chaining method. It is a memory technique for remembering the content by creating a vivid, imaginative, interactive and continuous story. Let's make it fun with the silly story. Are you ready? Let's go.
Suppose you need to learn about the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Now imagine a giant pot of water on the sun, which is evaporation, turning into fluffy balloons in the sky, which is condensation, which then burst like a water balloon fight, which is precipitation, and finally all the water running into a swimming pool where fishes are having a party, which is collection. The crazier the story, the stronger the memory.
So, here is one of my favorite, the teach back method. If you can explain a topic simply to someone else, you have really learned it. Pick up a chapter, say the water cycle in geography. Close your book, sit with your younger sibling, cousin, cushion, or even your teddy bear and explain it step by step. The rule is no reading, only teaching. If you can get stuck in that, then that is the signal. Go back and revise. The more you practice teaching, the more confident your brain becomes. And here is a bonus point. Add hand gestures. Draw clouds in the air, show the rain falling. It is funny, but your memory locks it stronger because psychology says the more senses you use, the better the memory becomes. So, next we have active recall and spacing. Instead of reading your notes one by one by one, again and again, try active recall. Shut your book and ask yourself, what are the layers of Earth? Or what is Newton's second law? So, even if you get stuck, that struggle makes your brain stronger. So, here is a secret sauce: spacing. Study for 45 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. Short burst with pauses helps your brain lock in the information much better than just one boring marathon. So, next we have mnemonics. So, mnemonics are basically game changers. For example, in chemistry, to remember the reactivity series of metals,
That goes like potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold. Now, you can use all this in a funny line. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. Each letter stands for one metal.
also, don't just sit frozen. Walk, pace, or write on a whiteboard while recalling. Movement simply helps your brain to store the memory faster. So, here is a big secret. It's not about studying more, it is about studying smart. Chunk it, place it, teach it, test it, move with it. Now, try one of them today, and I guarantee that you will walk into your exam feeling like a memory ninja. Now, stop scrolling and go teach your pillow something. All the best.